Similarly, let me take another one question, that is x plus y is equals to 7, a linear equation in two variable. First, let me find the solution. When I substitute x equals to 0 here, so y value what you will get, 0 plus y is equals to 7 means y is equals to 7 you will get. Now if I substitute x equals to 7, then y value we used to get it as 0 here. Now I will make a table before plotting the graph x and y. So x is 0. When x value is 0, what is the y value? It is 7. When x equals to 7, y value will get it as 0 here. So before going for the graph, we have to make like this table so that you can clearly form a graph for the given linear equation in two variable. So let me take the graph for a given equation. X plus y is equals to 7. That is, the values of points are 0, 7 and another one is 7, 0 here. So let me plot it on a graph here. So that is 0, 7. 0, 7 means on the y-axis it is 7. This is the point for 0, 7. Another one is 7, 0. X-axis is 7, 0 means here itself we will get the 7, 0 here. So in this one also you can able to see we have got a straight line, that is for x plus y is equals to 7. For a given linear equation we have got a straight line, so that we can conclude the linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 means the graph of that linear equation will be a straight line. So let me write a scale here. Scale here is x-axis, y-axis. So x-axis 1 centimeter equals to, so here also we have taken 1, 2, 3, so it is 1 unit. So y-axis equals to 1 centimeter equals to, we have taken 1 unit. Okay, I hope you have got this. Now let me go with some of the graphs which I have given. So first one, what they have given means they have already given a graph and the points you can able to see. By seeing the points, we have to find which of these are the equation or the linear equation for a given graph here. So first one, let me just do the rough one. First is x plus y is equals to 0. So you can see the points are given 1, 2 is the first one. Another one is minus 1, 2 is the, minus 2 is the second one. So that means x equals to 1. If I substitute x equals to 1, I have to get y is equals to 2. Just check it with this one. Let me substitute x1 plus y is equals to 0 means y is equals to 0 minus 1. That means y value will get minus 1. Y value what I have to get? It is 2. That means the first one is not at all possible. Let me go with the second one, that is y is equals to 2x. So x equals to 1, I have to get y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2 into x value is 1 means what is y value you will get? Y value you will get 2. That is first one is verified here. Now let me go with the second one. That is if I substitute x equals to minus 1, I have to get y is equals to minus 2 here. So y is equals to 2x. Y is equals to 2 into minus 1. So what is I have getting? 2 into minus 1 is y value I got minus 2. So both these solutions are only verified when y is equals to 2x here. So what is the answer? Which is the solution? The solution is 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. The equation for a given graph is y is equals to 2x. You can observe this is also not possible. This one is also not possible here. Similarly, let me go with the second one. The second graph is given. First, let me write the points which was given on the graph. One is 1, 6. Another one is 0, 4. And the other one is minus 2, 0. Okay, let me write the first equation. X plus y is equals to 0. First, if I substitute x equals to 1, y I have to get 6. 1 plus y is equals to 0. So that y is equals to 0 minus 1 means I'll get minus 1. So this is not at all possible. Let me go with the second one. Y is equals to 2x. Let me take the equation. Then I substitute x equals to 1. Y is equals to 2 I'll get. Y value what I have to get? 6. So that is first one is also not possible. Second one is also not possible. Let me go with the third one. Y is equals to 2x plus 4. So if I substitute x equals to 1 plus 4. So x equals to 2 ones are 2 plus 4. What you will get? Y 6. So we have got the 1. Let me check with the second one. What is the second one? When I substitute x equals to 0, y value I have to get it as 4 here. So y is equals to 2x plus 4. So y is equals to 2 into 0 plus 4. So y is equals to 0 into 2 is 0 plus 4. That means y is equals to 4. So both are verified. That means obviously the last one will also be verified. You can check. X equals to, last point is minus 2. If I substitute, y is equals to 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Y is equals to 2 2s are minus 4 plus 4. So y value will get 0. So y value 0, it is verified. So what is the given equation for a given graph is y is equals to 2x plus 4. That means they may give you the equation and to find the solution, or the reverse of it. They may give you the solution and then you have to check which is the given linear equation here. I hope you have understood this. If any doubts is there, children, we will discuss in a live session. Thank you.